Thank you, Mr. Chairman. It is my pleasure to introduce James T. Brett. An exemplary leader in the business and political sphere, Mr. Brett has spent his career working to better the lives of those living in the Commonwealth. His advocacy has extended beyond Massachusetts to the national stage, where he has fought to protect the rights and quality of life of individuals with disabilities. Mr. Brett's work in service of the citizens of Massachusetts began in 1980, when Governor Edward J. King appointed him the Massachusetts Assistant Secretary of Energy. The following year, he was elected to the Massachusetts House of Representatives, where he sought to foster widespread economic growth and prosperity for the Commonwealth, especially the people of Dorchester. He really is Mr. Dorchester. During his time there, he served as chairman of the Committee on Banking, the Committee on Taxation, and the Joint Committee on Congressional Redistricting. In 1996, the New England Council's Board of Directors appointed him the organization's president and chief executive officer. Under Mr. Brett's leadership, this council has become the region's premier business advocacy and networking association. He has led the council's successful federal advocacy on a wide range of critical economic issues, including energy, healthcare, education, workforce development, technology, transportation, and trade. Mr. Brett has also been a leading advocate for people with disabilities. In 2002, President George W. Bush appointed him to the President's Committee for People with Intellectual Disabilities, a role he remained in for subsequent presidencies. In May 2011, President Barack Obama appointed Mr. Brett the committee's chairman. In recognition of his dedication, the Special Olympics of Massachusetts inducted Jim Brett into its Hall of Fame in 2014. In 2016, Congress appointed Mr. Brett to the National Council on Disability, where he also served as vice chairman. President Joseph Biden reappointed him chairman of the Committee for People with Intellectual Disabilities in 2022, and assigned him to the delegation representing the United States government at the 2023 Special Olympics World Summer Games. Mr. Brett is currently chairman of the Governor's Commission on Intellectual Disability and the Massachusetts Disabled Persons Protection Commission. In recognition of his efforts, the University of Massachusetts Boston established the James T. Brett Chair in Disability and Workforce Development in 2013, the only endowed chair of its kind in the country. In 2014, Congress passed and the President signed into law Mr. Brett's proposal to establish a savings plan for families of individuals with disabilities, the ABLE Achieving a Better Life Experience Act. Mr. Brett's inspiring and impactful achievements have been honored locally and nationally. The Boston Business Journal has more than once named him on its 50 most influential Bostonians list. The American Academy of Developmental Medicine and Dentistry, the Massachusetts Association for Mental Health, and community work services organizations have honored him with Lifetime Achievement Awards. Hospice of Boston named him their Humanitarian of the Year in 1989, and the Disability Law Center honored him with their Edward M. Kennedy Leadership Award in 2014. Now, New England Law Boston is pleased to award James T. Brett an Honorary Doctor of Humanities degree in recognition of his work and services to the citizens of Massachusetts and his tireless humanitarian work locally and nationally to protect and support individuals with intellectual disabilities.
As chairman of the Board of Trustees, I hereby confer upon you the honorary degree of Doctor of Humanities with all its privileges and responsibilities.
Couldn't live with that on my part.